Hey everyone, if you want to plan projects with clear deadlines and see how every task fits together, Asana Timeline is a great tool. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Timeline in Asana step by step. First, sign in to your Asana account and open the project you want to manage. Make sure your project already has a few tasks with due dates. Next, click the Timeline tab at the top of the project. If you don't see it, switch to a project that supports Timeline or enable the view if it's available. Now you'll see all your tasks displayed across a visual timeline. Each task appears as a bar based on its start date and due date. After that, drag the ends of a taskbar to adjust its schedule, or drag the entire bar to move the task to different dates. So if your tasks depend on one another, create task dependencies by linking related tasks. This helps you see which tasks need to be completed before others can begin. Next, assign tasks to teammates and update due dates whenever project plans change. The timeline updates automatically, making it easy to track progress. Finally, review your timeline regularly to spot scheduling conflicts, balance workloads, and keep your project on track. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully learned how to use Timeline in Asana. Now you can visualize your project schedule, manage deadlines, and keep your team organized more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.